Okay, I think this is the bike. This one or that one? Not sure. Alright, welcome back to the channel guys. What's up guys? Kaise ho? Ela unnaru? Hope everyone's doing great. I hope you guys have enjoyed my previous vlog, the ride vlog. After literally 2 years, I've done that ride and I also really liked it. Onward journey from Hyderabad to Mahabaleshwar, I did not enjoy it much because I was kind of getting used to the bike. But while coming back, we didn't know the journey at all. We were doing group discussions on the Senna without the Senna on a helmet. I think at least we got so used to it, we cannot ride. We were discussing current affairs, life, we were discussing about spirituality. Oh, inko level asala. Anyways, I just wanted to say, I did not like this helmet when I bought it. I just like the looks of it. It was very tight. I think this is a S size or but one tip I'll tell you, you have to wait for some time. It took a lot of time than other helmets, but this HJC Alpha 9, what is this here? Alpha 71. It took a little bit of time, but slowly it opened up and now it's taken the shape of my head. Now coming back to the main point. Yes, you've seen Nivas, right? My friend, he loves bikes. Obviously, he already has one bike if I'm not wrong, but he's interested in his next bike, which is the magical bike. One of my see, that is my comfort bike. If I don't understand what bike to buy in my life, I want to go with this particular bike, the Street Triple, the Triumph Street Triple RS. So we're taking the not delivery today. Actually, we're going to go and unbox it. He asked me to come. I was also excited to do this because it's been very long since we have unboxed a bike. At least 2 years. I think Charan's Pikes Peak was the last bike that we unboxed. Oh no, recently we did V4S, right? But that's okay. I love unboxing new things, whether it's a bike, whether it's a camera. Who doesn't like it, right? So yeah, let's go do that. You know what? Previously when I used to search for Triumph motorcycles on the map, there was only one. This is the one, Retro Triumph. Our OG Triumph motorcycles in Banjara Hills, but now if you see, like literally I don't know how many, but so many branches. It's showing Kompalli, Kachibowli, Kukatpalli, Abba. Very happy that they're growing like that. I mean, especially after coming into the 400cc segment. By the way, we are here at our beloved second home, the Triumph motorcycle showroom, Retro Triumph. Let's go and do the unboxing. Okay, we are here in the Triumph showroom, our beloved second house or whatever you want to call it. So many deliveries we have taken over here in this particular showroom. My Tiger delivery was literally from there and Street Twin delivery happened here. By the way, Nivas, congratulations. Ochinappadi nunchi he's just talking about 2.0. He's showing me designs, what we are doing next. Today, leave it today. Just enjoy your unboxing today. Delivery, are we taking it today or?
Tomorrow evening.
Tomorrow evening, but yeah, forget about everything else. Today is your day. You have to feel a bike. You have to unbox it with your hands. Come on, forget about your work now.
I'm happy about the bike itself. It's a long dream.
His friends are also here. He is going to be the next vlogger, it seems, competition to me. So
Please do support us when
please.
it comes to our
Yes, let's see new faces as well. Let's do the unboxing now. Are we waiting for anyone or just?
No sir, we can go I think.
Okay, poi batli peddam. Okay, I think this is the bike. This one or that one? I'm not sure.
Which one is the bike?
You choose one, Nivas. You choose one. Don't tell him.
Choose one.
You choose one. We'll give you that.
I am confused sir.
I think he already told him, so you know maybe. But looks wise, this looks small, that looks big. So I'm expecting. We'll go for big, huh?
We'll go for big.
చూద్దాం ఏజిఎం కావాలన్నా జిఎం కావాలన్నా ఏజిఎం పెద్దగా ఉంది కదా అదే మావాడు వెంకీ సినిమానే పవన్ వాట్సాప్ అవి గుడ్ పవన్ you've seen so much on the camera, you've seen so much, you come into my vlog so much, but still you feel shy. చూడు సిగ్గుపడుతున్నాడు ఇంకా come on పవన్
మనం డెలివరీ అప్పుడు we will add it sir.
We'll add, but కొంచెం synopsis ఇద్దాం.
Synopsis
A lot of struggle went into this. Financial struggle is secondary. I'm talking about, he planned to get this bike when? 2022.
Not 22 sir, 2021.
21 nunchi he's planning to get it.
Basically in 21 I visited the showroom. Then I booked it on my birthday. ఇంకా మా వాళ్ళు అయితే నీది ఈరోజు వస్తుందంటే తెలియదు. So there was a booking.
After he booked, I think 2 facelifts came for the Street Triple. At least 1 or 2, I think. 2 facelifts. And then he had to wait for 1 year. Then he got some ligament tear and all that. Full delay. Finally today it's here.
Ligament tear exactly on the new facelift release. అది రిలీజ్ అయింది ఆ రోజే నాకు తెగింది. But yeah. Finally.
But worth the wait.
Worth the wait.
You will enjoy the bike. This is the best bike Triumph can make in a street naked bike. The best street naked bike I would purchase is definitely a street triple. If you want to go for classics, even then Triumph makes the best classics. But then I would go for a Speed 1200. But if you're looking for a street naked bike, chup chap, close your mouth, go for a street triple. Come on. Come on.
One way. Yeah, I feel.
Come on, ఆ మాత్రం స్ట్రగుల్ ఉండాలి. Okay. Yeah, show some excitement, come on. Good. Yeah, after a long time I'm seeing some excitement in someone's face. Good. చాలా పద్ధతిగా వచ్చింది శ్రీకాంత్, అది మాకు అట్లా రాలేదు. హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే టు యూ.
2 years were 20 kgs వచ్చేది.
Come on, shout, come on. Nice. Okay. You feel it, come on. Go ahead.
I'll call from there.
Put your butt on it. Elbow. You know, it's not like exactly yellow, but the shades of it, you can see a little bit of orange on it. I'm not sure if you're able to see that on the camera, but Emanto Nivas? There, okay, you feel, yeah, I know, I understand. Please enjoy your moment. Nice, very nice color. Yeah, so that big question, are you going to ride it or are you going to frame it?
Frame it, sir. I don't think.
Clarity undali, it's okay. Even if you don't ride it, doesn't mean you have to ride everything. I understand some people like to see their bikes and just feel it. That's okay. Art piece.
My Harley itself bought it like 4 or 5 years.
Oh yeah, he has a Harley as well.
I rode only 7,000 kilometers.
Nakana better. Na street win 2,000 kilometers for 2 years. But as long as you have clarity, no problem. Good. I mean, I saw this bike in photos. In real, I did not see this color. It actually looks very good. I really like that orange tinge on it. Too good, nice, bound. Take your time.